How to fix the Shopify not paying out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If the Shopify is not paying out the earnings, follow these simple steps. First of all, check for the payout schedule. In order to do so, launch your Shopify application. Once that is done, go to the settings on the Shopify admin. See when the payouts are scheduled, which is usually 2 to 5 business days. Second, you'll have to verify your bank account details by ensuring correct bank details entered in the Shopify payment settings. Check for the payment holds or the verification issues. Shopify may hold the funds for fraud checks, account verification, or chargebacks. So, check for any Shopify support emails or alerts in the settings and payment section. Also, if you have recently issued funds, Shopify may deduct the amount from your next payout. However, if everything looks fine but the payouts are still delayed, you'll have to contact the Shopify support for the further assistance. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.